आज चेयरमैन नादरा आए थे।
वो कौन है?
जिन्होंने हमारे बीफार्म बनाए और आईडी कार्ड बना रहे।
ताकि वो लोग जो यहाँ इस मुल्क में पैदा हुए हैं, यहाँ पल पढ़ रहे हैं, वो इनविजिबल स्टेट की आपसे।
Okay, so the positive sign of whatever happened today was, number one, the fact that there was a government official of this status who is dealing specifically with identity issues, was willing to come to a community of this nature and engage with an organization that has been, well, pestering him for the last couple of years, 3 years now, on issues of citizenship and identity was a huge move. His conversation in terms of rights of children was very, very important because that is something that we can move forward with. There was also discussion and an offer of collaboration in terms of working on issues that should not be going into litigation unless and until they are not resolvable by them. So basically, his coming here, has created a lot of confidence in the children, in the community at large, people who work with us who are from the community, and the possibility of there being resolutions to issues and the openness with which he dealt with and talked to people even at the Legal Aid Center. I think one of the most important things that was said there, which I think was very heartening for the staff and the people who've been working here for the last years in terms of legal aid, has been the fact that he said that you are doing what we should be doing. So that was a huge acknowledgement of our work.
And what should be happening for the children in Machar Colony?
Look, as far as the children in Machar Colony is concerned, the two very important things, which one of them might not be in Nadra's hand, is of course the issuance of birthright citizenship. That against a birth certificate that is given to the children through the UC, which is there available for every child that is born here. On the basis of that, it should be going to Nadra technically, and Nadra should be issuing a bay form against the birth certificate, irrespective of what your parents' ID card situation is, whether they have it or do not have it, or what their documentation is. And that is also something that has been endorsed by the Islamabad High Court in very recent judgments, where they've talked about birthright registration of citizenship and the issuance of identity on that basis.
How does it feel? It's kind of cool he came.
No, it's very cool. It's very surreal also. And the fact that his office has reached out to us for this visit is something that is very, very heartening.